In what way the teaching of Buddha bring worlds together?
Yes, yes, if truly understand Buddha's nature, then Buddha's nature, Buddhism, nature of Buddhism, main thing is karuna, warm-heartedness. And all religion carry that message. So, and certain sort of technique to promote warm-heartedness in Buddhist tradition, I think very rich. So that's can apply to Christian, Hindus, and Muslims, and many in Judaism. You see, all carry the message of love. So certain sort of method to promote compassion can apply to anybody. Then philosophical field, there is differences. Firstly, the non-Buddhist tradition all believe Atma. Buddhism do not accept Atma, Anatma. So these just word, you feel or something different, but more knowledge, study. What is the meaning of Atma, and what is the meaning of Anatma? Same, no problem.
There are ideological differences in the country, in India, like right, like left. The Indian society is very much confused by taking all these ideas. So, what school they should follow? What you would like to message the Indian society, sir, so that it would not lead to any of a conflict?
I think different political ideology, ideology about society, economy, and there are some differences. But these are not the Indian tradition. Indian tradition, ahimsa and karuna. So, I think like China, great nation, most populated nation, you see, they follow socialism, but lack of karuna and lack of ahimsa. Oh, you see, a lot of corruptions there. Power, totalitarian system, political power, beyond rule of law, like that. One of my great friend, the former president of Israel, Gaza, Shimon Peres, he socialist, he very much sort of sympathetic about China. I know him since many years. So then later, one occasion, I asked him, now China, is it socialist country? Then he immediately said, no, now no longer socialist country. Worst kind of capitalism. Lack of sort of the inner sort of the value. Just sort of rule. And the Marxism, I think original Marxism, I think very good. Sometimes I discard myself. As far as socio-economy theory is concerned, I'm Marxist. Marx, you see, the working class people are the ruler of the country, not kings or ruling class people. So the working class people need some special right. He fight for that. And then economy field, you see, he very much thinking equal distribution. Very good, very good. But then eventually, now this Marxist country is mainly follow Lenin. Lenin mainly thinking power, how to control. So Lenin developed totalitarian system. That also because of the circumstances. Serious civil war in from Russia. And under Tsar, there are a lot of corruptions. So, such circumstances, Lenin start revolution. More militant than Lenin. So I feel Karl Marx wonderful, but Lenin is too much militant thinking.
Hindu people believe that Hindu people believe that Buddha is avatar of Vishnu. Do you believe this, or what is your opinion? Being a guru.
What's that?
Hindu那个的正殿
Vision.
的
Or ten,
王柱的
to ten reincarnation. Yes. That's possible. This country, I think, as I mentioned earlier, is a spiritual field. I think India's civilization is earliest talking about these inner value and different philosophy. So, 10th avatar, 10th avatar, ka,
10th avatar.
10 avatar.
Reincarnation.
It's a different time, it's a different form as the spiritual leader. Then 10th Buddha. So these are quite wise.
Role of Dr. Ambedkar in Buddhism.
写那个
Role of Dr. Ambedkar in Buddhism. What to define? How you define? How you define the role of Dr. Ambedkar in Buddhism?
Dr. Ambedkar, oh, great.
Sure.
You see, he, I think in 1956, is at Nagpur, you see, he started some movement, revival of Buddha Dharma. And he really sort of seriously sort of thinking the equal among the society. He totally against caste system. That's wonderful. One of the drawbacks of this country, the caste system, making distinction. That I think outdated. Caste system, some related with feudal system. The ruling class is in order to justify their sort of as the rule over working class people, they create idea of caste system. So that I always see express caste system related with feudal system. So now it outdated. India, greatest democratic country, free country, wonderful. Most populated, number one, population-wise, number one, China, but unfortunately, totalitarian system. India, over a billion population, at second,
Second population.
the
Biggest-
second country
biggest democratic.
whose population beyond billion. India, democracy, freedom, wonderful. Now, I not only carry India's message, but I myself now consider Indian. Over 60 years I spent here.
Are you completed 60 years in India?
Yes.
Are you completed 60 years in India?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 야와나 데이터로 주주 콜사베이네스.
Yes, it's a one time I met group of Chinese, also the journalists, mainly from Taiwan and some, I think, some American. One was a journalist asked me, why you describe yourself as a son of India? Then I told, look, my mind, as I mentioned before, my mind, every piece of my mind filled by Nalanda thought. That's India's thought. Then this physical, did a few years ago, so I told her, this physical, nearly 60 years, this physical survived with Indian dals Indian chapati. So therefore, mentally, physically, both, I consider I'm son of India. Huh?
Idli dosa also.
Kasa.
이들이
Then within India, most of Nalendra master, like Nagarjuna, Arya Asanga, and then Buddha Palita, Chandrakirti, Dharmakirti, Digna, all these great masters of Nalendra all come from South India. No single master from North India. So I usually used to teasing, the South Indian brain is something special because all those great masters, philosophers, all come from South India.
last
Last question. Do you think this training center in India, how can it help, educate, and develop monks in India?
그래서
로쿠트라 센터 how it will help monks how it can develop this
now I usually describe Buddha, not creator, Buddha teacher. So we should consider Buddha Shakyamuni was our teacher. So Buddha himself, expressed to us, all my follower, monks, scholars, should not accept my teaching out of faith, out of devotion, but rather thorough investigation and experiment. So Nalendra Master, all these masters, investigate Buddha's own teaching. So some Nalendra Master rejected some Buddha's own teaching. If you accept this Buddha's teaching, literally, it against reason. Therefore, we must reject. That's, I think, something unique about Buddha Dharma in general, particularly Nalendra tradition. We very much emphasize investigation because Nalendra tradition, we extensively use logical approach. So the way the logical approach is, we never say yes, yes, or only why. That's very important. So Buddha himself, you should not follow my teaching out of faith, as I mentioned earlier. That shows he teaches us you should follow my teaching, thorough investigation and experiment. That's very scientific way. Okay.
thank you
Sir, Kamlesh sir, एक फोटो दे देना।
Sirpur, the Buddhist, largest Buddhist site.
सर, पत्रकार मेरा सर एक फोटो। One photo, media, please.
चलो
Thank you.